So, Triple D's Lawn Care now is Triple D's Lawn Care, Triple D's Pressure Washing, Triple D's House Washing, Pavers, not sidewalks. I'm not doing driveways, I ain't that level yet. I mean, you name it, I do it. Not turning down work. Not at all. And I said again. I picked up me a trailer. I know you guys probably seen that video. It's a pretty nice trailer. I'm still building it. But right now, we're about to head up to Jones's Rental, and I'm about to rent me a power pressure washer because the one that my homeboy got me, yeah, it was sweet and it worked really good. But one of the, hold on, let me see, roll my windows up. One of the pistons, I guess, were rubbing or scraping, so it was basically gonna blow. So I gotta buy me a new pressure washer. And he told me to, the man at the shop, Darling's Belt Line, told me to buy a commercial power washer because when things happen to it, you can maintenance it. You can replace the pump, you can do things to it to fix it. Compared to if you buy a Lowe's pressure washer, you don't got much options. If it goes, you go get another one. And for $150, $200, I mean, just replace it. Where when you're spending $600, you got it, you probably won't have problems with it for a few years. And when you do, you'll replace it. So I'm looking at getting a Cub Cadet pressure washer. It's like $700, and it's a big boy. I'll probably show a clip of it real quick. You know, I don't know how to do it, but I'll show like right here or right there. Yeah, right. This screen will probably pop off. You'll see it, and then I'll come back on it. But got my sidekick. Too early for her to get started. She's sleeping. Must be nice to be a dog. But alright, we heading into Jones's to go grab this pressure washer. Let's go. Here place. The rental place. You can rent all the cool toys here for nothing. Look at this hose, all coming unraveled. Yeah, I'm not set up for pressure washing. This pressure washing thing is, today I started with only $5 in my pocket. That's all the money in my pocket. I gotta make this money turn to cash today. $5. So we're gonna see if we can make this happen. Right now we're about to go through the pressure washing section in Lowe's. That's where I'm at. I don't know where the pressure washing section's at. Hold on. Here we go. And they got everything here. $1,200. Husqvarna. I might have to get this one. I can replace the pump. Might have to. But we came up here for some solution. We turned $5 into cash today. Alright, picked up the power washer. Jones Rental. Jones Equipment Rental. It's the big boy. Precious, always with me. We got some chemicals for the house. For siding. And then I also picked up some awesome for the mold. Mix it with water. Put it in a sprayer. I was going to do bleach. Bleach is pretty harsh. This is the house we're doing. Doing it for $180. Because I'm new at this. But it might go up with this. So I'm going to do some scrubbing on the ladder. But this is the bad part of the house. And I guess they power washed it once already. So we're going to see if we can get this off. Can't guarantee too much. But man, it really shows on the camera. The dark spot. Hold on, let's get this a picture. Alright, so this is the house we got to do in the deck. And you got to do back here, the windows, get all the corners, get all the cobwebs out, just a little bit of everything. We're doing the porch, but my main focus is the house. So let's get this started. Extra wand to reach higher spots. Alright. This is the wall we got to do. And this power washer is pretty... Hold on. We got to do. Power wash is pretty good with it. Hold on, let's watch.
Lock again to be really tall.
An idea how it's looking already. Yeah, it came real clean. Still got the top to do, but it's like 95% different. It looks so nice. I'm gonna do it before and after. The neighbor hit it with the power washer, but right now I only used water. I haven't used no chemicals, but awesome. Okay, so I use chemicals. I use some awesome. I did 2 gallons. It looks really good. Just got that top to get done. A little fresh. I just used this, a little 2 gallons. Put 2 gallons of hot water, and then I put about half a thing of awesome in it. Rinse the whole house. I'm gonna go back to the house and use the house wash chemicals. All right.
Oh, sure.
I did it before and after, so I'm gonna go get a picture of it. How it looks really good. Porch. I mean, it looks really good. This camera doesn't even justify how good it looks. You remember this side was where it was all rotted. I got all the holes. Pipes white as hell now. Took about 8 hours, but I washed it twice. I rinsed the whole house. I rinsed the whole house, and then I went over it again with the soap, the house wash soap. I mean, it looks immaculate. It's really good. This part I recorded and it went home. Did the porch. Man, it's blinding just to look at it now. And I washed my truck. Since it was sitting there and the power washer was open, I washed it. It looks really good. Man, it's hurt my eyes looking at the side of it.
It's just like no.
Yeah. It's really good.